The COZ model centrifuge is made for the treatment of multiple product categories. For intra-machinery cleaning effect conformation, the centrifuge is specially designed so that the casing can be easily opened and closed. Now, let's introduce the features of the COZ model centrifuge. At first, let's take a look at how the casing opens. The casing can be easily opened and closed due to a fixing structure by eye nuts and wing bolts. By designing the frame to be located lower than the basket bottom, visual examination of the basket bottom becomes easier. Moreover, the design of the flat basket bottom makes it much easier for intra-machinery cleaning and intra-machinery inspection. Let's take a comparison of the COZ model with the standard CO model. As for the standard CO model, the basket bottom and the shaft have such structures as shown in the cross-section due to the purpose of stabilization. As a result, the products that scatter and adhere to this part during operation cannot be cleaned. Moreover, visual examination cannot be easily conducted. The Good Manufacturing Practice compliant model has a flat basket bottom, which ensures enough space for visual examination. This is the comparison of the CO model and the COZ model. As showed, the difference of the basket shape and position can be easily identified. Since the center of gravity of the COZ model is higher, the shaft is thicker and the bearing is one size larger to stabilize it. On the intra-machinery cleaning process, the basket rotates at a low speed and washing liquid is fed into the centrifuge through the washing nozzles for cleaning in place. By purging the shaft part with nitrogen, it is possible to prevent the washing liquid from penetrating into the bearing part, so immersion cleaning can also be achieved. For customers' needs, we also offer specifications with the motor directly connected from below, and specifications with a mobile base for small-size centrifuges. The COZ model is the upper discharge centrifuge adapted with GMP. Now, let's introduce the DEVO model, which is the GMP-compliant model for bottom discharge centrifuges. The same design concept of the COZ model is applied to the automatic bottom discharge centrifuge. For visual examination of the intra-machinery cleaning, this model also has an openable casing. Let's take a look at how the casing opens. For safety purposes, a set pin is mounted. In the case of bottom discharge centrifuges, a structure which prevents filtrated liquids from scattering into the cake discharge port is applied. Hence, a removable cover for visual examination is equipped. There is no blind spot in the basket bottom. Let's take a comparison with the DAC model. Since the center of gravity of the DEVO model is higher, the shaft is thicker and the bearing is one size larger to stabilize it. On the intra-machinery cleaning process, the basket rotates at a low speed and washing liquid is fed into the centrifuge through the washing nozzles for CIP. Let's take a look at how washing is conducted manually. If the casing opens more than 90 degrees, a blind spot is created, which cannot be reached for washing solids. In the case of the Devo model, the whole casing inner surface is splashed and cleaned without a blind spot. As shown here, no washing liquid will remain. Let's take a look at how immersion cleaning is conducted. By purging the shaft part with nitrogen, it is possible to prevent the washing liquid from penetrating into the bearing part. If washing liquid which dissolves solids is applied, then a higher cleaning effect can be expected. At last, let's introduce the RISE model, which is the GMP-compliant model for the top model centrifuge. We also offer the RISE model centrifuge that allows visual examination from the bottom of the basket by fully opening the top plate. Tanabe responds to GMP-compliant requests with various centrifuge models and abundant numbers of references.